In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear data effectively using AdsPower. This can be incredibly useful for maintaining privacy, optimizing performance, and ensuring a smooth user experience. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to open the AdsPower application. Once you're in, navigate over to the Profiles section. Here, you'll see a list of all your profiles. This is where you can manage different data sets associated with each profile, making it a powerful tool for managing your digital presence. When you have the Profiles section open, take a moment to select the specific profile or profiles for which you wish to clear data. This step is crucial as it ensures that you're targeting exactly the data you want to clear without affecting other profiles that you might need intact. Once you've selected your desired profile, look for the three dots or a similar menu icon associated with it. This menu will provide you with numerous options tailored for that profile. Click on it, and then look for an option that says something like Clear Cache, or possibly Delete Cache Data. You're on the right track once you've clicked on this option. A dialog box will appear. This dialog will present you with a variety of data types that you can clear. These data types include cookies, local storage, indexed DB, extension data, browsing history, and cached images and files. Each of these plays a specific role in how your profile interacts with websites, and managing them can significantly improve performance and security. Now, choose which data types to clear by ticking the boxes next to them. Don't forget to tick cookies and any other data type you feel is necessary to remove. Once you're satisfied with your selection, confirm your choices by clicking OK. This will proceed to clear the selected data types from the profile. Now, let's talk about a more streamlined option if you want to keep your profiles automatically clean every time you launch them. For this, head over to the Settings and make your way to the Global Settings section. From there, click on Browser Settings, and then look for the option labeled On Startup. Here, you'll find a setting called Delete Cache Data. By switching this on, you have the ability to control what gets deleted automatically upon launching a profile. You can choose between deleting all cache data or selecting specific types to delete. This automation can save a lot of time and help keep your profiles running optimally. Simply choose the option that best fits your needs, and moving forward, AdsPower will handle it for you each time a profile launches. This covers how to efficiently clear data in AdsPower to maintain your system performance and safeguard your privacy. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing with a cleaner slate.